Hi, Johannes van Overbeek, coming at you from Daytona, here with DASSport, helping them with a 944 Turbo Cup, a 911R, a 997, and a 996. And I'm going to take you on a lap around night qualifying in the 997 Cup car. Coming across start finish, almost 180 miles an hour, brake at the transition, get the car woed down to second gear, get the front to bite, power off, flat through here, going up to turn 3, brake hard, back down to second gear, off the brake, patient, full power. Coming up to the kink, lot to lose, not a lot to gain here. Little bit of lift, 911's like you going back to power as you cross the apex, track out, into 5, roll the speed in, weight on the front, just patient, full power once the front picks up grip. Headed into turn 7, nice and bumpy, but this 997 handled it great. Off the brake, get a turn, full power, trying to make this straightaway as long as possible. Headed up to the bus stop, making sure you don't miss any shifts. Check the mirrors. Luckily, we didn't have any traffic this lap. And what's unique about Daytona is you really have to look through the top of the windshield because of the curvature of the track. Trying to get just past the 2. Not sure if I was successful or not. Almost. Roll the speed in to the bus stop. Get the transition, get it pointed, back to power hard. You got to watch the turtles on the inside because you'll tear up the car if you use them. And now we're just taking it to the start-finish line, shifting on the lights, looking for somebody to draft, but we don't have any friends today. And we'll come across the line for 151.7 in this 997 DAS prepared Cup car.